I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to customize the Do Not Disturb mode. Now there's a quick setting to turn the Do Not Disturb mode on or off, and here it is. You can turn it on like that and confirm, and to turn it off just go back to that button and turn it off like that. But did you know that you can actually customize the Do Not Disturb mode? So to do that, you have to go to the main settings page. So just swipe down and go to settings. So on the main settings page, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that. And then on the sounds and vibration page, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you should see do not disturb. So tap on that. And then there's another button here to turn do not disturb mode on or off. And then you have the button to customize. So tap on that. And here you can customize a couple of things. So first of all, you can choose to either allow or disallow calls from starred contacts even when do not disturb mode is selected or is enabled. So you can have a few special people that you can allow to call you even when you don't want to be disturbed. Okay. Then do you want repeat calls? Can the same people call you more than once? So you can either enable that or disable it depending on what you want. And then you have the option to allow timers and alarms in do not disturb mode. So if you don't want them, you can always go ahead and disable those or disable that particular setting. And then you have media sounds. Do you want media sounds to be able to play when you're in do not disturb mode? You can either allow or disallow. So mainly depends on what you want really. So those are the options to customize the do not disturb mode of your OnePlus Watch 2. So once you select everything, now you know exactly what do not disturb mode does on your watch. Okay. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.